I'm not afraid of Andrew Holness. Me a bad man. Police, me a bad man.
We out here, we not going.
Hey YouTube, what go on? You know, a long time Jamaica police them never so effective, you know, and so some of we Jamaicans feel like it is good, you know, to continue our illegal and malpractices. However, I want to bring to your attention the fact that the Jamaica police force is becoming increasingly more and more effective. In case you never know, much more informers about. Remember, we have smartphones and GPS location, and with all this new technology, it makes it very easy for even your friends beside you to just give you a location and just laugh after you. You understand? Not only your friends, but your neighbors who might know you, or even your enemy down the road. You understand what I say? So we have some persons who are not so smart. For example,
Yo, everybody go let them afraid of Andrew Holness and the police. Me not afraid of Andrew Holness. Me a bad man. Police, me a bad man. You don't know if you find me. 350 Julius Road, Arnett Garden, Kingston 12. Me nah run. Police go I damn my cops. Any police boy come for me, I bullet. Andrew Holness, you did ask me for lockdown Jamaica. You want lockdown Jamaica, you can't tell me to come off of the road. It's so Andrew Holness, that's my cops mother Andrew Holness. Me a bad man, come look for me now. Me nah run, see me ya? Tattoo everything I show Andrew Holness. You can't come tell bad man for come off the street. You come look for me and say for Jamaica depend fully lockdown if you come. Cause bullet me I go now. Any police boy who feel like they want to come touch me door, make sure say no come bulletproof from head to toe or on the ear bulletproof cause me I go to bullet 350 Julius Road me there. Me not afraid of nobody. Everybody talk about lockdown and you know, come for people, come for me. Me a bad man. Andrew Holness go boy Andrew Holness, me a PMP. Me no respect no labor. Andrew go I don't like cops. Police go I don't no cops. Every police in Jamaica, me no care. Me a bad man. Come look for me now. Me done talk I yes me there. 350 Julius Road, me not moving. You don't know what I mean? You don't know me? Me a bad man.
A few moments later.
I just want to let everybody know it was just all a joke. It was nothing serious. You know, I get the video on my phone last night and I just jump out my car and I just out of the heat at the moment. I just made that video and I send it out. As you know, always on YouTube and Twitter, all these pages talking about stuff, blogging about stuff. But just want to let everybody know, just keep calm. I didn't mean anything by it. It was just purely a joke. I was just mimicking what happened to the guys them in, I think it was Ola Bar, Spanish Town. I'm not even quite sure. I know I just realized that this video gone viral and you know people taking it serious and stuff like that. So just to let Andrew Holness and the Jamaica Constabulary Force know that I didn't mean anything by it and it was pure joke. You know, like I said, I always blogging and stuff on the social media and I hope everybody just listen to what the Prime Minister says. Stay indoors because this coronavirus is really serious.
And we'll pick the water. Big jail up, so Andrew's gonna say, Mama, can't do nothing. We out here, we not going. See there? Life, me, I make sure go. We out here, we not going. Andrew wanna just ask us. You can't have a control again, walk on control, man. Bad man, yeah, see there? Andrew, since bad man friends to there. We not going up, man. Don't tonight.
5 minutes later.
SSP Ops.
Last night, yeah.
Last night? Go ahead.
Right. No, we have found the man that we're looking for, so you can stand down on the record. He was on the bed hiding, but we found him.
A few moments later.
On Wednesday, April 1st, Mr. Mitchell made a video and that video went viral. You would have seen via different media platforms that the video in which Mr. Mitchell said some disparaging things about the constabulary force, the Prime Minister, and it was very disrespectful to Jamaica, and he has now recognized the implications, the seriousness of his actions, and he has now taken responsibility and would love to tender an apology to the people of Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force as well as our Prime Minister, Mr. Andrew Holness.
Yes, good evening Jamaica. My name is Dave Mitchell. On Wednesday, April 1st, I made a video that is disgraceful and demeaning. I want to apologize sincerely to the Prime Minister, Honorable Andrew Holness, to Jamaica and to the Jamaica Constabulary Force. My behavior was outright and disrespectful. The things I said is not worthy to repeat, but I want to say I'm very sorry for saying all those things. As a result, I want to sincerely apologize to the Jamaica Constable Force, the Prime Minister, the hard-working men and women of the Jamaica Constable Force. And I want all Jamaicans to take this coronavirus, COVID-19, very serious and apply by the rules and regulations said by the Prime Minister. Alright, to all my friends, them family, loved ones, all over Jamaica, I want to tell you the truth. This thing is not a joke thing. It's very serious. The coronavirus, COVID-19 is very serious. When I made the video, I was just a joke. And I took it very serious, but I wanted to listen to what the Prime Minister work with the police, them staying on the house because this thing killing people all over the world. Italy, how much thousands of people dead. We're supposed to know already, I tell you no. They must try to keep us safe. I made a joke about it. And again, I'm very sorry and I apologize to the whole Jamaica, the JCF and the Prime Minister. Honorable Andrew Wallace.
Yeah, and so may I say, I know this video is not to make fun of the situation, but just to earn the views where the man did initially intended. He was making a viral video, the video gone viral, so we all need to share, share to create awareness that, the police are working and they are very effective, and if other persons should try to do this, it is good when they can see how soon they can be caught and what can be, the possible, punishment for being caught or for doing something like this. So until next time, people, please like the video, share, leave a comment, peace.